If the machine doesn't start, you can press it. Turn off the engine about 3 times. So you guys turn it off. Open again when finished. It goes up like this, and then I turn it off again. That's it. Then turn it on again. If it lights up the screen, turn it off. It's called tossing and turning. When it says, "Please wait," that means it's on the recovery screen. Click on See Advanced Repair Options. Click on Troubleshoot. Click on Advanced option. Or you can click these places. I will try one by one. Click on Startup Repair to see if it works. If it works, you don't have to take any more steps. And if it doesn't, then we'll take the next step. If it still fails, click Advanced option. Click on this Advanced Troubleshoot option. Now you try something big, but you can't. Click here again. Troubleshoot. Advanced option. People click the command prompt. When you get there, give me a command. It's called a system refresh. People type SFC Scano. Scano. Press the Enter key. Then people. You don't have to do anything to make it run. It's calculating the key up percentage when it's done. I did the next step. Now everyone just has to wait. It's about 100% complete. And that's a part of it. Next, people type give yourself command. Bootrec. Fixmer, then press Enter. Then that order is done. Next, I will run Bootrec Scanos. Scan OS Then press enter again. And now I have to wait. This is done. Next up is Bootrek Rebuildst. Now I'll close it and click continue. Let me restart Win to see if it works. That's how you get into Win. It was a successful win, everyone. Suppose you can't win. Then everyone clicks back to the beginning. Press off 3 times as at the beginning to enter the mode. Recover is just now. Just start it up. Is people turn it off, push the power button, turn it off. Then turn it on again. Then press the power button to turn it off. It will enter the recovery screen. To get here, people click here. Then into the shop. Everyone can enter one part at a time. If the steps fail, everyone will go to reset. Reset this PC. This part resets you. If you choose it, it will still have data. Without losing data. After pressing restart, the reset process will start. To this step. It's a long time. If the computer is weak, it's a long time. So you can just leave the machine running. And go for coffee. About an hour later, you're back. If the machine, if it works, it will go directly to Windows. And if it's a mistake, you have to reinstall Win or bring out the repairer. Because doing these steps doesn't work. It's going to be very difficult because it's got a lot of causes. For example, it has 2 main reasons. Windows error is too heavy. And the second one is, if the hard drive fails, the hardware must be replaced. So people just do this step. If not, we have to. If you know how to Win, everyone can. USB to install Win. Otherwise, everyone can bring out the workers, let people Win, and check the drive. Hard show because of the steps I make like this. That's all the steps to take. When you can't Win, That's what it is. Now the computer is in Windows, everyone. All of these steps, you do one step at a time. Whatever step you take, you don't want to take anymore. Then you restart the computer. Let's see if it gets in. If it gets in, you don't have to do 2 steps. And if it can't be, then you can take the next steps. I didn't make the first few steps. So this step is the last step. Provided that the machine does not win. If the machine has won, and sometimes you turn it on and it's faulty, then I will guide you to fix it later. Some commands, when you win, you will follow. If you can't win, then you should follow the steps I gave you before. This means that the computer is on win, and you should wait, not turn it off. It's in the box. I'm going to show you how to do some more. Command to check in this to do. Clean machine. Sometimes you start it to win. Then you come in. CMD, type CMD into the magnifying glass, Then you can choose the administrator and open this CMD window. Please type commands as on the screen to help me. You have to type it correctly. If you can't type once or twice, you have to type again. More. Sometimes these orders are also given. Use but. Typing is still wrong. Sometimes the keyboard gets stuck or something. It jumps out 2 to 3 words. Or if it doesn't eat, it lacks words. It's not possible. So where you type, you have to pay attention. After typing, people press the Enter key to run it. Then, everyone press the Enter key for me to run the command. That end. Like this, people just sit. Just wait for it to run for a while. When it says a finish, it's okay. You can see these commands that it counts in percentages. Normally, it's 100% organic. It's like mine. I cut a section just now, I don't type anymore. Step 2, you go in, Set and select Windows Update. It's done in the part. Update history. Then the uninstaller update is done. Take it off, click here, take it off. I don't know, but if your machine is wrong, then you click on the uninstaller. Uninstaller and uninstall it. Anyone can go to the system. Go to the recovery section. Here it has items like reinstall now. Reset this PC and go back. Restart now and you can do it one by one. If the machine is frequently faulty, long time to win, you should do these commands. Fix it thoroughly. Then hello guys.